How plus be-verb is used to ask about the condition of someone or something. How's is the contracted form of how is. Examples: how's your arm? How's your mother? How's your new job? How's the harvest this year? How's your business going? How's Maria? How's the stock market today? How's he? How's your school? How's my outfit today? How are your younger siblings? How are your parents? How are your studies? How are the children in the orphanage? How are your puppies? How are the employees in your company? How are the buses in your town? How are Mr. and Mrs. Smith's children? How are the mango fruits after the typhoon?